Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to class 9 biology. Okay. Children, we are learning chapter number 6 tissues. Okay. Till now what we had learned in this chapter, children, once again recall it. So, in tissues, first of all, we had learned that tissues are of main two types, that is, the plant tissues and animal tissues. Right now, we had already started learning about the plant tissue. So, plant tissue is further subdivided into two types. Which are they, children? They are the meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. Now, in meristematic tissues, what we had learned, that is, there are three types of meristematic tissue. They are called as apical meristem, lateral meristem, and intercalary meristem. Children, we had learned in detail about all these three types of meristematic tissue, that where they are actually present inside the plant and what is the function of it. Right now we are moving to the permanent tissue. So permanent tissue is further divided into two types on the basis of the cells. Right, so on the basis of the cells it is divided on the two types, that is simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. सिंपल परमानेंट टिश्यू के जो सेल्स होते हैं सारे सेल्स सेम होते हैं. ऑल सेल्स आर शेप सेम इन शेप ऑल्सो एंड फंक्शन ऑल्सो. राइट, सो ऑल सेल्स आर simple. So in simple permanent tissue, what we had learned, children, in simple permanent tissue we had learned about the parenchyma. Then the second simple permanent tissue we learned, that is collenchyma. Third simple permanent tissue we learned, that is sclerenchyma. And one another tissue we had learned, that is the protective tissue. That which kind of which kind of tissues are there in plants which provide protection in different parts of the plants. Okay, now we are moving with the complex permanent tissue. आज हम क्या टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे? आज हम टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे कॉम्प्लेक्स परमानेंट टिश्यू. सो कॉम्प्लेक्स परमानेंट टिश्यू इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स. इट इज xylem and phloem. What are the name of them? It is xylem and it is phloem. So let's start with the first complex permanent tissue, that is xylem. Okay. First of all, why the complex permanent tissue is called as complex? Because all the cells present in this tissue are the different shapes and different size. सारे सेल्स एक दूसरे से अलग है, दैट इज वाई दे आर कॉल्ड एज द कॉम्प्लेक्स परमानेंट टिश्यू. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द xylem. द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द xylem इज ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ वाटर. xylem जो है वो किसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? इट इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ वाटर. द सेल्स ऑफ xylem हैव थिक वॉल्स एंड मैनी ऑफ द सेल्स आर डेड. सो मेन फंक्शन क्या है xylem का? ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ वाटर. xylem का फंक्शन क्या है? याद रखना, इट इज़ आस्क्ड मैनी टाइम. पानी का ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कैसे होता है प्लांट्स में? इट इज़ ट्रांसपोर्टेड थ्रू द टिश्यू विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज xylem. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द xylem. So which are the xylem elements? There are four xylem elements. Number one, tracheids. Number two, vessels. Number three, xylem parenchyma. And number four, xylem fibers. Okay. Now what are tracheids? So tracheids are the long tube-like structures present in this tissue. ट्रैकिड्स क्या होती है? लॉन्ग ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं और मेन फंक्शन उनका होता है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ वाटर. Secondary vessel. Vessels are also long tube like structures, and but they having the more dead cells, and same function, they are helping in the conduction of water. Xylem parenchyma, the function of xylem parenchyma is to store food, and xylem fibers, they are providing support to the tissue as well as to the plants. So remember children, xylem is responsible for transportation of water, and these are the four elements of the xylem tissue. Now let's talk about the second complex permanent tissue, that is phloem. The main function of the phloem is transportation of food. The food is transported to each and every part of the plant by the tissue. Which tissue? By the phloem. Now let's talk about the elements of the phloem. Likewise, xylem, phloem also has four different elements. The number one is sieve tube. Second, companion cells. Third, same phloem parenchyma as xylem parenchyma. And number 4, that is phloem fibers. What are the sieve tubes? So sieve tubes are the tubular cells which have perforated walls. मतलब उनकी walls के ऊपर ना holes होते हैं, perforations होता है. Due to this the food is transported. Companion cells are next they are the adjacent cells of the sieve tubes, right? And the main function is translocation of the food. Phloem fibers, they are providing support to the tissue, and phloem parenchyma, that they help in the storage and lateral conduction of the food. So these are the different elements of the phloem. So remember, transportation of water is responsible due to the xylem tissue, and transportation of food is responsible due to the phloem tissue.